So friends, to solve this expression, we must follow the V Bodmas rule, and this rule establishes the order of operations. V stands for vinculum, the bar over numbers. As you can see, the bar over numbers, and B stands for parentheses, small brackets, curly brackets, square brackets. O stands for of, orders, parts, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now here we'll just break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. So step 1 says solve the vinculum part. Vinculum part, as you can see, the bar over the numbers, which is 6 plus 3, and there is a bar. So first solve this. 6 plus 3 equals to simply 9. Now the expression becomes is 18 minus square bracket 6 minus curly braces 4 minus 2. Solve the small brackets. Small brackets parentheses. There now we address the innermost round brackets. 8 minus 9 now equals to minus 1. Again the expression becomes is 18 minus. Now step 3, simplify and solve the curly braces. Before solving the curly braces, we simplify the double negative into becomes positive. So 4 minus minus 1, it will become 4 plus 1, and answer is 5. Now the expression becomes is 18 minus square bracket 6 minus 5. Now step 4, solve the big brackets, square brackets. Now next solve the subtraction inside the square brackets. So 6 minus 5 equals to 1, and expression becomes is 18. Now step 5, final subtraction. Complete the final operation. 18 minus 1 is 17. So conclusion here, using the V Bodmas rule ensures we prioritize the vinculum and the hierarchy of brackets correctly. While standard Bodmas stands for brackets, V Bodmas specifically reminds us to look for the bar, vinculum first, which is a critical in competitive maths and advanced arithmetics. So now here the final answer is 17, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.